Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a new Harris 230 Sunliner. So Sunliner is the second trim level up in the offerings from Harris. This one is in the new matte flat colored panel, so really good looking, doesn't have the corrugated look like they used to. Definitely a more modern look. So like most of our other Sunliners here at the Dallas store, this one has pillow top interior. This one is in a moonbeam, but pillow top interior, USB ports anywhere you see a mouse hole cut out where these cup holders are, all the way around the side of the boat. In-floor ski locker, JL audio, so this one's gonna have 2, 4, 6 JL audio speakers on board, plus the addition of a subwoofer and a pair of amplifiers. So really good audio system from Harris. 9-inch SIMRAD up in the dash, so the dash is gonna have your screen located over here on the right-hand side, downscan sonar, chart plotter, forward-looking nav, all of your instruments, all of your gauges will all get run through that. This one's also going to have Mercury Active trim, so your trim is going to be done automatically for you while you're underway. So as you're coming up on plane, it's going to trim the boat up for you. As you get on plane, it's going to trim you perfectly. As you put the boat into a turn, the trim will go back down, more log in the water for better, smoother turn, and more importantly, better fuel economy. So really nice setup. Speaking of the helm, raised helm area, which is really nice if someone's driving the boat, instead of having to sit on a flip up bolster or raise the captain seat up and do all that kind of stuff. Just get the whole thing up that way. If a tall person's sitting in front of you, it's a much more comfortable driving experience. This one is an SLDH floor plan, so twin captain seats, flip-flop backrest over here. I have a lot of these in stock with the twin captain seat, and I also have them in stock with a L bench that will come out to that'll come out to here as well. It's about a 50-50 split as far as which ones sell the most. They're both our #1 popular models. Great storage underneath your back, as well as built-in cooler underneath your other side. This is also where they've installed your plug for your battery tender, as well as a transom stereo remote control. This one comes equipped with a 225 horsepower V6 on it, plenty of power to get the job done. So if you have any questions about this or any of the others, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to helping you guys out.